So when being in a work environment during COVID, for example, some mornings, as an example this morning for me, the flow value is too low. In this case you see a flow value of 30, which is not an advisable flow level for working. Also my flow power value at the top of this screen, now 50, is not the best flow of power value to start with working. So I do now some breathing exercises to show that you can control this flow level by recharging quite fast. What is recharging and how it is measured via this app? I currently wear a heart sensor. The heart sensor is connected with this Followflow app. The flow value is calculated by multiplying the heart rate frequency, now 80, at the bottom of this screen you can see, with heart rate variability, which is a measure of relaxation and adaptability for any stressor. It seems that my adaptability is quite low currently, so firstly I open the window, having some additional air, which is a good idea for the brains, having additional air. It's a good decision. My flow is already going to 50. So now I do some follow-flow breathing exercises. This is a really advanced level. I first explain. I breathe in fully, belly in 2 seconds, hold for 1 second with full lungs, and then do a prolonged out breath. What happens there is the body gets oxidized and the brain gets a lot of new energy, and the body is fed also with this energy. So there I start. You immediately, this I did 2 cycles, immediately see that the flow value is now 150, so the screen went from red, orange, green to blue. Blue is creative, so I should continue because now my flow level is going down again due to this talking. So when the flow value is higher than the flow power value, the flow power value gets charged. And so when the flow power value is 70, I can start working. So I do this breathing exercise until flow power is 70. So now my flow power level is 70, which is the minimum level I strive for during working. And I pick up first the coffee and the tea, and then I just start with working. Have a pleasant, blissful day. Via the Followflow app, you are fully control of your consciousness awareness level, and you can relax and know when your flow level is high enough. Not now, but when it's high enough, you can do your work on high quality level. So I have to do this day a lot of these flow breathing exercises and still be able to work. That's a good indication of your adaptability when flow is higher than, say, 70. So the sentence was a little bit strange. You can see that you make errors when the flow is getting lower and lower and lower. So I do an additional exercise to make sure my flow power stays above 70. I go to 100. I open the window, cold is good, cold head, warm feet. Pumping a lot of oxygen in the system, also in the room. So I can talk when breathing out, because breathing out is the same as talking. And continue talking when breathing out, slowly and relax. In the middle of the Followflow app you see a breathing pacer. When following this breathing pacer, you have your ideal optimized breathing sequence to recharge. So 90 I have now for flow power. Which is really good for a working day. When you want to have a creative working day, you should strive for a blue background. In the background you see a sinus or cosinus or wave. Also seeable by the heart rate frequency waveform. It indicates that you are synchronizing your heart with your surrounding. And still being able to relax. Okay, so now I have a flow power above 100. I'm sure I can handle this day. So have a blissfully flow day. Make the best of it.